Good evening, friends. We haven't talked to you all day today.
It's been a very lazy day today.
It's been a very lazy day, which is exactly what you should do when you're on a cruise. Like, just chill.
We went and had some food throughout the day here and there.
Yeah, and we walked around the ship a little bit more. Got to see some areas we hadn't seen yet. After every single time we went out and did one of those things, we just came back and snoozed.
Yeah.
It's been nice. We've had beautiful weather today. It's just a sea day. Again, I think we said that already. But now we're going to go grab some dinner. We are going to splurge.
We're going to spend some...
on some lobster rolls. They're $18 a piece. And the reason that we're doing that and not the normal dining that we usually do that's included, which tonight is elegant night.
So I was at the house packing my stuff, and the very last thing that I put into my bag was my dress shirt. I got to the ship, started unpacking, and said, well, I don't have any pants.
And there's no shorts allowed at elegant
and all
night.
I brought is shorts.
So we can't do elegant night, but that's okay. We're going to go splurge on some lobster rolls, and then we're going to watch a comedy show.
You guys plan on not going to Elegant Night. I can tell already right now that it's much quieter
Yeah.
out of here. So if you want to get anything to eat, like not on an Elegant Night, you do it straight to the front of the line.
Yeah.
We didn't have to wait for anybody.
Same as like if you want to use the pool at night
The pool is empty right now. There's like no traffic, no foot traffic out here. When we were out here earlier, it's like walking in the mall.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Tip.
Give yourselves a round of applause. You look like you're excited for the 18th Coast Comedy.
Towel animal number 2, which we almost didn't get because we were snoozing all day. What is that?
Bear.
Bear?
Bear aware.
What is it? You guys tell me in the comments. What is that? All right, guys. That is going to be it for us for today. This is all going to be one video, so this is just going to cut to the next day.
So if you're not, fear not, you will see us in the morning.
Right about now.
The weather forecast for today is a sunny day with a temperature of 79 degrees Fahrenheit. And tomorrow is really thank you. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day for the cat. What we want to do have everyone was fun.
Are we going to go at medium speed or fast speed?
Medium.
Still, guys, one Thank you. Big side.
That's all right?
Yep. Chest, head or wrist, velcro strap.
Got it.
You know the drill, use brakes to stop when you come in.
Gotcha. I think I get to go on that side on the way back. I'm above you. See ya. Awesome.
What's up? Alright, next to...
Did you hear me scream when I dropped?
Yeah.
Now I know why that guy was like, it's a little scary up here. And you guys just saw footage of us going on the sky ride. It's the views are beautiful, spectacular, but it's a little scary, especially when you drop and pick up speed.
Looks like you're about to go off the cliff, off the side of the boat into the ocean.
But lots of fun. Definitely recommend it. All right, guys, that was day
75.
that was
2?
Day 2 sea day, but technically day 3 on day. So today's day 3. We hope you enjoyed coming along on the sky ride with us. That was a ton of fun. And tomorrow we have an exciting day. It's our first port, which is going to be Puerto Vallarta, and we have a super cool looking shore excursion. So make sure you stay tuned for that. We will share it in its own separate video. And yeah, I think that's it. We hope you've enjoyed these sea days with us. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. If you aren't yet subscribed, please do hit that red subscribe button. It's completely free for you and it does wonders for us. And yeah, have a wonderful night, evening, day. I said that twice. Night, evening are kind of the same thing. Have a wonderful day wherever you are.
Night, evening, midnight, dark time.
Bye guys, we'll see you in the next one.